Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to place for all tech tips and tricks. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove saved login information on Facebook. This is the useful tip if you're starting shared devices or simply want to keep your account extra secure. So let's get started. First, let's open your preferred web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Now navigate to facebook.com and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, click on the small downward triangle in the top right corner of the screen to access your settings. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Security and Login. Here you can see the Password Manager. Tap on it. Tap on Settings. So what you need to do is just tap on the wrong button. And that's all there is to it. This is how to remove save login on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.